In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for your travel agency effectively and efficiently. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to refine your advertising strategy, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to set up a Google Ads campaign specifically tailored for the travel industry in 2025. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is the starting point where you can access all the tools and resources that Google provides to help you reach potential customers. Once you're there, look for the sign in button in the top right corner. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account details. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your existing campaigns or create a new one under your account. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads home. This is your dashboard where you'll find an overview of all your campaigns, giving you insights into performance, budget, and more. It's an intuitive interface designed to help you manage and optimize your advertising efforts. Now let's move on to creating a new campaign. On your Google Ads dashboard, look for the campaign option. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can start setting up a new campaign. Google provides different types of campaigns, so choose the one that aligns with your business goals. For a travel agency, you might consider a search network campaign to capture people actively searching for travel services. Next, you'll want to enhance your campaign by adding assets. Click on Assets, a section where you can manage images, videos, and other creative materials that support your ads. In the competitive travel industry, high quality visuals are key to attracting customers. Beautiful images of destinations or eye-catching videos can significantly improve your ad's performance and appeal. Following the asset setup, you'll come to an option labeled Callout. Callouts are additional text snippets that you can add to your ads to highlight special offers or features. This is an excellent opportunity to emphasize unique selling points like last-minute deals, all-inclusive packages, or adventure tours. By using callouts effectively, you can differentiate your services and capture more attention from potential customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to launching a successful Google Ads campaign tailored specifically for your travel agency. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, so stay informed of any updates or changes in Google Ads features that can further enhance your campaigns. Best of luck and happy advertising.